Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I have a visual splendor for you. It shows calendars, it shows cool things, you can upload videos. What am I talking about? This is the Divoom right here. We have two knobs right here, which we're going to see how to use. And this looks very, very cool. Plus, this lights up right here. So, that is mainly it. We can see the times frame. So this is all about showing the cool things you've done, plus an awesome interface. So I have it right here. What I'm going to do, you power this via USB-C. So we just go ahead and plug that in right here. Boom. Whoop. Whoop. All right. So that is our Divoom. Let's go ahead and set this bad boy up. Already it looks awesome, doesn't it? So first we choose our language, English, then we're waiting for the network. So we're gonna go ahead and see how to set this up. Also, one thing we can see here, we can connect it with an app. So we need a smartphone to do that, which is cool. Also, one thing you can see here is the lighting here looks absolutely freaking amazing. So now that we have this, we can go ahead and play around with it. You have two knobs on the back here, and you have this right on top of here. So let's go ahead. What you'll need is a QR code scanner. So let's see how to set this up. All right, so that's the setup. So here we can play with the times frame. We can change the color scheme. We even get support right here. You can see the different designs right here. If you want to go ahead and draw, you can. So that's a crazy thing right here. I can go ahead and draw. And the crazy thing is we can actually see that right here on the Divoom. Look, I'm drawing. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm drawing some more. How about that? So yes, you can actually draw on the Divoom. I am not a professional artist. So you can do AI drawing right here. You can send texts. If you have a photo album, you can go ahead here and load your photos, or you can put new photos. So let's get something other than my drawing up here and do weather forecasts. So we can actually see the weather right here. Or we can go ahead and do Valentine's Day, do double painter. This one I think is cool. Or if you're into crypto like I am, boom, look at that. Look at that. Very, very cool. Or you can simply just use photos if you want. Or I like this clock, and you can actually configure the clock. Now there's so much to configure here. If I literally sat here and did all this, it would take hours, but that's how it looks, which is absolutely amazing. Now I have a chat message here. There's also a community here, different people doing different stuff, and my profile. So that is a little bit of it. Now you can even edit the faces right here if you so choose. This one's pretty cool as well. Do the display loop. You can see the old PlayStation buttons, popular cities. So it has all these themes built in, which is very, very cool. So I have to say, I'm very impressed with this. And we'll look on the side right here. We have a little party in Paris. Here we can see the Divoom. Very cool. I can go ahead now and also configure this right here. So say I don't have my phone on me. You're like, okay, well, that's fine. I can configure the light. So I can make it as light or dark. I can pick up different types of interfaces. I do like the crypto one because I'm into cryptocurrency, even though it drives me crazy. And here we have the ability for the colors, sleep, the sound, everything. So I can do ambient effects. I can adjust the color. Do video volume. I can do all of it right here, or I can put it to sleep, which is pretty cool. You can do different ambient effects, which I think is pretty awesome. So that is it in a nutshell. You can also do screen brightness, ambient brightness, and everything here. So playing with the brightness, go a little bit down so we can see that. And this thing is really, really cool. Like, you can put this in your bedroom, you can put this in your coffee shop, you can put this literally anywhere. Your living room, you can put this right next to your computer. People say, what is this? This is Divoom time frames, bro. I can get anything I want right here. And on the side, you can go back and forth. So which one do I like? And you go ahead and navigate here. I like the cryptocurrency one. I think we should go with crypto. What do you think, audience? Let's go with crypto. Well, you can do a display, and if you can't decide, you can always do a display loop. Or just pick some of your favorites. I think that this art is pretty amazing. So that is the Divoom in a nutshell. How you can configure it, what you can do with it. And here we can see it right on my stand. How amazing does that look? Right next to my PC. So yeah, that is Divoom in a nutshell. Pick your favorite time frames, pick your favorite frames, make them look absolutely awesome. If you can't decide which one to do, well, it's okay. You can go ahead and adjust all the settings here. You can play around with it. You can figure out, like, hey, maybe I'm a YouTube guy, maybe I'm a crypto guy, maybe I want famous cities, maybe I want something else. Whatever it is that you like, whatever it is that you think is cool, you can do. So to me, just play around with it, have some fun. We got famous cities here. See which one fits your fancy and create a visual, stunning time frame that everybody can enjoy. So if you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you soon.